Hi, I'm George with Blackbird Realty and Management. We're a Las Vegas-based property management company. Today, we're going to discuss our asset protection plan and why this is such a great value to you. Every one of the homes in Las Vegas that we manage has an air conditioner in it, and it's probably the biggest expense that we have during the summertime for repairs. We recommend that the air conditioner be inspected in the spring and in the fall, and our asset protection plan does that. We change the filters in the air conditioner 4 times a year. We also inspect the coil on the outside, the contactor, and we also check input temperature and output temperature, make sure that the unit is performing properly. Another large expenditure for a rental home is the refrigerator. The asset protection plan takes care of this because we will actually vacuum the coil for the refrigerator and clean all of the lint out from under there so it's got a better chance of running more efficiently and lasting longer. You can see from the refrigerator here in our picture that there's quite a bit of lint. And this is a buildup of only 1 year since this refrigerator was cleaned. So walking through the house, stepping on the carpet, all produces lint. A lot of smoke outside when there's forest fires in Southern California. All of that stuff ends up collecting on the evaporator and creating problems for the refrigerator. Another large expense in a home is the water heater. Awful lot of chemicals in the water in Las Vegas, and there's chemicals end up in the bottom of the water heater. Manufacturers of water heater recommend that you flush the water heater at least once a year. In the asset protection plan, this is done. We also expose the anode rod to see if the chemicals in the water have eaten it up. If they have, then the anode rod is changed as part of the plan. No additional cost, just part of the plan. Exhaust fans in the bathroom and in the laundry room, also a great place for lint or dust to accumulate. No one ever checks these things out when they're cleaning a house. They don't think about it. We do. The asset protection plan will, a lot of these get inspected and the dust will be vacuumed out of there. Small fires start because of lint, and the exhaust fan in the laundry room is a good place for it to get started. The dryer, when it blows the lint into the vent in the wall, sometimes it doesn't make it all the way outside the house. It could make it only 4 or 5 feet up into the vent in the wall, and it stops there. You can see from the video we have here that we've got quite a bit of lint out of the line that goes to the ceiling, and that's only 18 months worth of lint in that line. One of the safety items in a home is the smoke detectors. A lot of people think that the smoke detector is unimportant and they shouldn't have it there. But from a premises liability standpoint, the smoke detector needs to be operational at all times. Changing the batteries in these smoke detectors on a regular basis is essential to maintaining the property. So part of the asset protection plan is to change these batteries every year. You'll notice that we've dated the batteries so that there can be no confusion as to whether this battery was new or old or when it got put in there. Also, during our inspection, if the smoke detector is more than 10 years old, we change it. It's a matter of safety from the National Electrical Code. So it's one of the things that we do. During the normal course of our inspection of the asset protection plan is we're going to look at every ceiling in the house to see if there's any water intrusion. If the house is a 2-story house and there's a water intrusion onto the ceiling of the first floor, usually that's being caused from an upstairs bathroom, upstairs shower, which would create a mold situation in your house later on. Upstairs ceilings, we look at those and determine if the roof is leaking, and then we'll get a roofer out there and do a more thorough inspection of the roof. The asset protection plan will check every fixture in the house for a leak every 90 days. We're going to look at every toilet, every sink in the shower to see if there's a leak from the angle stop and the supply riser line, and hopefully stop it before there's a larger scale problem that can cost a lot of money and the collateral damage caused by the small leak. We'll inspect everything from the toilets to the garbage disposals to the outside hose bibs on the house. We'll make sure that the irrigation system outside isn't flooding the house and causing a problem out there. part of the plan. We get a licensed general contractor into your house every 90 days to look to see if there's a problem. And there's no work that gets performed as a result of the inspection that you won't know about. I hope that you'll find this plan valuable and that you'll use it. Thank you. Have a great day and see you next time.